Looking for the best pens for teachers that combine style, functionality, and comfort? You've come to the right place.
Welcome to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the UIXJODO gel pens, a set of high-quality writing instruments perfect for educators, professionals, and anyone with a penchant for stylish stationery.
Let's unpack why these pens are making waves in the world of writing. First off, these pens are not just any ordinary writing tools.
Crafted with precision and style, the UIXJODO gel pens boast a sleek design and a super soft grip, ensuring hours of comfortable writing without any strain.
But what sets these pens apart from the rest? It's all about the details.
With a fine 0.5 mm point, these pens deliver smooth, precise lines that make every stroke a pleasure.
Whether you're jotting down notes in the classroom or marking papers, these pens ensure clarity and precision every time. And let's talk about versatility. These pens aren't just for teachers. They're perfect for students, professionals, artists, and anyone who values the art of writing. Plus, with a durable clip, you can easily fasten them to your notebook or pocket for on-the-go convenience. But wait, there's more.
Each set comes with 5 high-end Morandi gel pens, making them the ultimate office or classroom accessory.
And with their classic design and black ink, they make a thoughtful gift for anyone in your life. So there you have it, folks.
The UIXJODO gel pens, the best nice pens for teachers and beyond. Whether you're taking notes, grading papers, or simply doodling, these pens elevate your writing experience to new heights.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy writing. Product Critique, your go-to source for honest reviews and insightful analysis.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.